Hello, students. So, we shall continue with the same chapter, Gentleman of the Jungle by Jomo Kenyatta. And in the last class, we stopped in page number 4, and we shall continue with the chapter. In the last class, we studied how the commission sat for the inquiry, okay, and they sat to take the evidence of the case between the elephant and the man, okay, and elephant justified his act of uh, approaching or getting into the hut by saying that he had always regarded it as his duty to protect the interest of his friend, and it is his friend that who invited him to the hut for to help him and save him from the hurricane. Okay, so hurricane is just like the cyclone. Okay, and it was it was the opposite way, because it was elephant who threw away the man out of the hut, and he occupied the hut. Okay, but here in the commission of inquiry, when the commission of inquiry is inquiring the case, the elephant says that it is his friend who invited the elephant to help him or to save him from the hurricane. Okay, so and the elephant said that I considered it is necessary to turn the undeveloped space to a more economic use by sitting in it. Okay, so the hut needs some place. Okay, and it was just a hut, and there was a man, only one man who is living there, and it is, since it is a jungle, okay, and it is a kingdom of animals. Okay, and the animals have rights over the land. So the elephant says this undeveloped place, okay, this undeveloped space needs more economic use. Okay, this space is needed for economic use of the jungle. So we shall see how we can take this. Okay, so yeah, we will continue, and we shall see what the commissioner of inquiry says. Okay, after hearing the Rothorn, Mr. Elephant's conclusive evidence, that commission called Mr. Hyena and other elders of the jungle, who all supported what Mr. Elephant has said. Okay, they then called the man, who began to give his own account of the dispute, but the commission cut him short, saying, "My good man, please confine yourself to relevant issues. We have already heard the circumstances from various unbiased sources. All we wish you to tell us is whether the undeveloped space in your hut was occupied by anyone else before Mr. Elephant assumed his position." Okay, so here the elders of the jungle, okay, the and now here, after hearing to the after hearing the Rod horn, Mr. Elephant's conclusive evidence. So the commission inquired the elephant, and elephant gives the conclusive evidence. Okay, and what was the evidence? That it was his man, the friend, called him or invited the elephant to help him or save him from hurricane. Okay, so that was the evidence, that was a proof which was given by elephant. The commission called Mr. Hyena and the other elders of the jungle. Okay, so who all supported what Mr. Elephant had said. Okay, so the elders of the jungle, all the other elders of the jungle, like leopard and alligator, buffalo, okay, elephant, all other things, and fox, all elders supported what Mr. Elephant had said, because elephant was from their party. Okay, and their place, and he belongs to the jungle. Okay, and is one among the commission of inquiry. Okay, so then the man began to give his account. So then they called the man who began to give his account. Fourth line, they then called the man who began to give his own account of dispute. Dispute is a disagreement or argument. Disagreement or argument, because the man knows that he didn't invite the elephant. It was elephant who came asking for help to put his truck inside the hut. Okay, but here the elephant has given the opposite sentence, that the man invited elephant and asked him for help for to save from hurricane. Okay, so yeah, so the man wants to dispute or disagree or um, argue with the commission, but the elder stops him. Okay, so the elder stops him. The commission cut him short, saying, "My good man, please confine yourself to relevant issues. We have already heard the circumstances from various unbiased sources." So here the commission cut him short. So when the man is trying to argue or disagree with the verdict or the judgment or the evidence given by the elephant, so the commission cut him short. Okay, and asked him if the undeveloped space in his hut was occupied by anyone else before. So here the commission says to the man, "My good man, please confine yourself to relevant issue. You please confine to whatever we have heard." They are forcing him to confine to the orders they are passing. Okay, and we already, I mean, the commission is already fed up of hearing. The commission don't want to hear anything from the man. Okay, and they are ready to accept the evidence given by elephant. Okay, so the commission says the man to confine to whatever the evidence is given, and all we wish you to tell us is whether the undeveloped space in your hut. Okay, so the undeveloped space in your hut, was it occupied by anyone else before the elephant? Okay, so that was the question asked by the commission to the man. Okay, so the man began to say, "No, but at this point, the commission declared that they have heard sufficient evidence from both the sides and retired to consider their decision." So here, the man was bewildered. Okay, the man was confused because he was not given opportunity to disagree or argue with the evidence, and he was asked to confine to the orders or to the decision what the commission is made. Okay, and mr I mean the man was bewildered. So the man was confused and puzzled because he was not able to give his give his views or give his evidence or give his argument. Okay, and finally the commission gave its verdict. So finally the commission declared or gave the verdict, thinking that they have heard sufficient evidence from both the sides, and they have come to the decision. Okay, after enjoying a delicious meal at the expense of Horn, Mr. Elephant, they reached their verdict, called the man, and declared as follows. So they gave the verdict, they gave the judgment. Okay, and in our opinion, this dispute has arisen through a regrettable misunderstanding due to the backwardness of your ideas. So here they are putting they are blaming or they are faulting. Okay, they are putting their faults on the man because he has no one to argue for him. Okay, and so there is only him, and they are the commission of inquiry, the jungle leaders. Okay, so they are forcing or they are blaming on the man and says that it was just a misunderstanding due to your backwardness of your ideas. So you are backward in your ideas. It is directly putting the man down. Okay, so you are backward in your ideas, and it was just a misunderstanding, and it was not a dispute. So you don't in our opinion, this dispute, this argument, or this disagreement or argument is just a misunderstanding. Okay, it is just a misunderstanding, and this undeveloped space in your heart needs to be made for economic use. Okay, and then they continued. Okay, we considered that Mr. Elephant has fulfilled his sacred duty of protecting your interest, as it is clearly for your good that the space should be put to its most economic use, and as you yourself have not yet reached the state of expansion which would enable you to fulfill it, we considered it necessary to arrange a compromise to suit both parties. So here they concluded. I mean, finally, the commission gave its verdict. It was not on the expected lines of man. So the man was expecting, as the king of the the king of the jungle, or lion, told him that he will get back his hut. So it was not expected lines of the man. So it was not according to the expectations of the man, and they concluded that the dispute has arisen only through misunderstanding due to the backwardness of man's ideas. I already told you that this dispute, this disagreement or argument between the elephant and the man was just because a misunderstanding between them, and it was the backwardness of man's ideas. So in the kingdom of jungle, in the jungle kingdom, the man was seen as a backward, okay, because it was ruled by the animals. The man is seen as a backward. So it is directly hinting that African peoples are backward, okay. So yeah, and they defended Mr. Elephant's action, saying that he had fulfilled his sacred duty of protecting man's interest. So as they all the elders, okay, all the elders supported Mr. Elephant's action, saying that he just did to fulfill the man's interest. He just saved you or protected you from hurricane, okay. And they considered that the space should have been put to its most economic use. So the undeveloped space in the hut should be put for the economic use. As man had not yet reached the stage of expansion, they arranged a compromise to suit both parties. So the man here is not in the stage where he can do expansion. Expansion is where extending your place or extending your state or kingdom, okay. It is like just like expanding your kingdom, okay. So you have studied in history how the kings go and rule and conquer and expand their kingdom. Similarly here, the jungle, I mean the animals in the jungle, they go conquer the land and rule over the kingdom, okay. So Mr. Elephant shall continue his occupation of your hut, but we give you permission to look for a site where you can build another hut more suited to your needs, and we shall see how we will see that you are well protected, okay. So here they make an arrangement, okay. This commission of inquiry make an arrangement, a compromise to suit both the parties. It should suit for elephant as well as for the man. So but they have done partiality by supporting the elephant, but accordingly the Mr. Elephant would continue. They say that the commission of inquiry says that the elephant would continue to occupy his hut, okay. So the elephant will continue to live in the hut, whereas the man was advised to look for a site to build another hut. So the man was advised to leave the hut for the elephant, and he has to look for another site and build a hut according to his needs, okay. And they say that we will protect you, you are well protected, okay. So this is how the commission gives a verdict, a judgment, okay. So they gave the hut which was built by man to the elephant, and they asked man to look for another site and build a hut, and he can live in the hut, okay. So we shall stop here.